Forward Collision Avoidance Assist, or FCA, detects and monitors vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists ahead and warns the driver of a possible collision. When a possible collision is detected, FCA will display a warning message on the instrument cluster and sound an audible warning. FCA may also apply the brakes to help avoid or mitigate a collision. On most Kia models, FCA is on by default. To enable FCA features or adjust settings, go to the Vehicle settings on the infotainment system. Press Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance. Then, under Driving Safety, select Forward Safety. Under Forward Safety Warning Timing, use standard timing in normal driving conditions. If the warning timing is too sensitive, consider changing to late timing. Select Forward Cross Traffic Safety and Forward Side Safety. To adjust the warning method settings for driver assistance systems, under Driver Assistance, select the speaker icon or warning method. Here, you can change the warning volume, which may change the volume for other driver assistance systems as well. Selecting Haptic Warning activates the steering wheel vibration warning on certain driver assistance systems. Lane Safety Audible Warning Off turns off the audible warning for lane safety features. Driving Safety Priority lowers all other volume when the system sounds a warning. And Parking Safety Priority also lowers all other volume when Parking Assist view is active. For additional information, refer to your owner's manual. You can also go to the Kia Features and Functions Videos YouTube channel or the Kia Features and Functions Quick Reference Guide. Thanks for watching.